history and culture, the bathhouse steam, and the community chat. In an olden time, in a quaint village by the river, there was a grand bathhouse named the Steamy Soak. Every Thursday, villagers of all ages would flock to this place for their weekly cleanse and social gathering. The townspeople loved it. On this special Thursday, our young protagonist, little Lucius, arrived with his grandmother, old Agnes. The excitement in the air was thick as beeswax. Villagers chatted, children giggled, and steam billowed from the bathhouse's entrance. Lucius stepped inside, his eyes wide with wonder. The bathhouse was large, with high ceilings, stained glass windows, and an array of bathing rooms. Agnes guided him to a warm, inviting room, where old friends greeted them warmly. In the room, Lucius and Agnes sat at a long table. An old bearded man named Elmer stood before them, ready to share tales of the village's past. He spoke with passion and pride about the steamy soak, captivating his young audience. Elmer spoke of days when villagers used the bathhouse for more than just washing. It was a place to share stories, laugh, and build friendships. The youngsters listened eagerly, their eyes shining with excitement. After Elmer finished his tale, the youngsters ran outside to play in the bathhouse courtyard. They splashed in fountains, played tag, and enjoyed the company of one another. The villagers eventually gathered for a shared meal in the courtyard. The air was filled with laughter and contentment as they ate heartily. With full bellies and happy hearts, the youngsters bid their goodbyes to one another and to Agnes. They waved goodbye from the bathhouse door, promising to meet again next week. Agnes and Lucius walked home under a starlit sky. The village was quiet as they made their way back to their humble abode, discussing the day's events with smiles on their faces. Back in their cozy home, Lucius lay awake, dreaming of the bathhouse and the warm community that gathered there every Thursday. He couldn't wait for next week to return and share another day at the steamy soak with his friends. As dawn broke over the village, the bathhouse stood tall and proud in the center of town. Its windows shimmered with the first light of day, a symbol of cleanliness, unity, and friendship. As the sun set that Thursday evening, Lucius smiled to himself as he thought about all the fun he had at the steamy soak. He remembered splashing in the fountains, listening to Elmer's stories, eating with his friends, and saying goodbye. He felt grateful for this special place that brought his community together.